Alright guys, welcome to DIY shop. Today I'm going to be doing a little experimenting with these lights. I just finished buying the car from the lease that we had. Cars are very expensive at the time, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a detail. But I wanted to start off with the lights. I tried to get the dealer to give me warranty on the lights, but they told me no, that they don't warranty these lights. So I'm going to go ahead and try to do it with the compound. Not one of those kits. I tried the kits before and they work pretty well, but if I can save a couple bucks, I'll do it, you know. So I've done it before with the compound. I've done it with the wet sanding. Let's try it out and see if I could get it working and looking much better. Now that the car is ours, I'm gonna go ahead and for some reason, even the paint is pretty rough. I have to get it you know, detailed. Thinking about putting the ceramic on it and go from there, but that'll be another day. So for now, you see both of the lights are pretty bad shape. They're getting there, so I'm gonna give it a whack. All right, so let's see where it takes us. I'm gonna go ahead and tape it up. In the past, I made the mistake of not putting tape, and the sandpaper that I used, I'm not going to use it today, but sandpaper actually scratched the paint a little bit, so I'm going to try to keep it as clean and protected as possible. Come on, get in there. Yeah, I was thinking if we were gonna, you know, return the lease back to Nissan, but cars have gotten pretty pricey, so decided to keep it. Not a bad car. Wife likes it. So happy wife, happy home. You know how that goes. Okay. All right. Looks like looks pretty decent there. Alright, I'm going to use some of my old Wolfgang compound. So this is old foam. I have a feeling this is going to fall apart. I have to end up doing it by hand. I'll give it a whack anyway. I found buy one of the kits from the store and go ahead and do it that way, but I'll try it, see what happens. I'm pretty sure it's going to get messed up. So using my Makita. I've had this for a while. Works pretty good. looks like it took but like I suspected, fell apart. It's been sitting in the attic for maybe a couple years or more, but so look at the difference. And just with a little bit of compound, you know, do you do any abrasives or anything? Well, I mean, this is a little abrasive, but it's a very, very light compound. Like, looks pretty much new. Yeah, I made a little bit of a mess because it fell apart, but no big deal. I gotta redo the car anyway, but look at that. Wow, looks fantastic. Look at the difference. That was just a little compound, one pass. So if your lights are really, really bad, I could feel it was pretty coarse. Now it's like super smooth, just like the car paint. You want to try it, you already have the compound, you have the drill. Perfect. Well, let's try to finish a little section there. Oops. Let's give it a little bit more. I'll make a little mess, but who cares? Looking pretty good. I'll give it a second pass when I get the new foam, but for the meantime, not so shabby. Alright, so pretty good. Oh, he's got a couple little chips, so obviously the compound will show. So guys, if you have compound, it will look pretty good compared to that. Pretty faded in there. Trying to cover every angle so you can see. Back to you. I missed a little spot there, but I'm gonna go ahead and redo it again. And then what I'll do is I'll put a little bit of wax on it so it could protect it, and I'll go from there. But other than that, it looks so much better. Alright, let's jump on the other one. Alright, I'm gonna try this side, just using compound by hand, because my little sponge broke, so I'm gonna give it a perfect now. The sun's not hitting it. Something like super, super quick. All the yellow stuff came out pretty good. It's way better. Obviously it's a lot better with the machine, but this is kind of like just a quickie. You can see some of that yellow that's coming out. Some of that dry plastic from the sun. It's better to do it maybe once or twice a year once they get a little fuzzy like this, and to wait until they're real bad. Some of these rock chips, there's not much we could do about it unless we sand them. I've done it before, but once you sand them, it's hard to get the deep grooves out of it. So I'm just gonna give this a whack. Oh, looks much better. More of the yellow. Alright, so again, just you could probably pick up any compound at your nearest auto parts, and rubbing compound. I use this one, but any will do. And voila. So, like I say, the car's gonna get detailed. I'm gonna, once I get my son's car out of the garage, I'm gonna wash it and detail the crap out of it. Especially now since we're keeping it for now. Not so bad for a 5-minute job. Looks pretty clear to me. So if you have a Maxima or any other car that has these lights, don't wait until they're real bad. You can probably just pick up either compound, or you could get one of these kits. They're like 29 bucks at the auto shop. But sorry, the car's really filthy, but this one I did with a machine. It looks a little bit better, but still pretty darn good. So even by hand, it looks awesome. So here you go. Simple little rubbing compound headlight trick here. And I'm gonna go pretty soon. I'm gonna do a review of the Maxima. Should have done it a long time ago. Great car. That's where we just kept it. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any other ideas, any other tricks to get these lights in better shape, but it looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna give it one more pass. I'm still gonna go ahead and buy the little foam disc for my for the drill. I'll give it one more, then I'll, you know, what I'll probably do is just wait until I do the whole entire car. You know, wash the car, you know, detail it, and then, you know, wax it or do the ceramic. I'm not really sure which way I'm gonna go with, but other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. So thanks for watching. All right.